you know what to do. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your friends, your family. And today is Vlogmas Day 4. And guys, I am excited as always to make a video for you guys. I hope you guys tuned into the last video because that one was, quite interesting. It was a teen gift guide, and if you haven't watched it, I'll put it at the end of this video so you guys can actually click on it and watch it if you haven't already. And don't forget to comment on that video too. And yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel because I'm gonna be having more Vlogmas videos. Today I'm quite prepared because yesterday my Amazon package arrived and I am super excited. Like, wow, I didn't expect it to arrive so early because I ordered it, I think, on Black Friday, and it actually came yesterday, so that's like Tuesday. Yeah, it was supposed to come on the 4th, which is today, but it actually came yesterday, and I was so excited. My mom literally hid it from me, and then she showed me, and I was just like, what is this? And then I forgot. So yeah, it's here, and I'm about to open it with the scissors. So okay, guys, this is actually kind of hard, but their packaging is really strong, guys. Like, Amazon is probably the best website out, online website, because they're quite organized. Their packaging is literally on point. And yeah, they package it in a way where no one will open it except for you, like when it arrives. Ooh, it's really hard. Most of these packages need X-Acto knives. I think that's what they're called. But basically, they put these like little balloon squishy thingies just so like it wouldn't get damaged. So the packaging is quite gorgeous, guys. I'll just show you from the box. That's how it actually looks when it came. I'm just gonna take these things out. I want to pop them so bad. So guys, these are the paints. Okay, let me just do my thumbnail right now because I'm so excited. Okay, so yes guys, this is how it looks. I'm sorry if the light is kind of blinding, but this is how the package looks. The paints look like they're in great condition, and I am like, wow. These are, okay guys, I forgot. I'm sorry guys, I forgot to tell you, but I actually ordered these paints and they're watercolor paints. So I haven't really used watercolor paints a lot in my videos, and I wanted to actually like include that in some of my art videos instead of just using acrylic all the time. I want to include like different mediums of paints. So I got some watercolor paints over here, and it's 24 inside. And the reviews on Amazon were not that bad. Like, some of them were like, oh, I wouldn't recommend this, but most of them were quite positive, so I might as well just try it before I just like make my own judgment. Yeah, and the company is called Derwent Academy. Y'all can see that. Derwent Academy. Ooh. I wonder how many ounces these guys are. So they're actually not too bad. This is how they look. Yeah, so yes guys, I was just like working on my thumbnail there because I wanted to look cute. I want you guys to be able to click on the video and actually enjoy it. And also, I'm just gonna like read out all the colors that are there because there are 24 tubes inside, as you can see, like 12 here and 12 right at the bottom. So I think the colors are quite good. They don't really have like bad colors. Most companies would sometimes, like, when they sell stuff for like a cheaper price, they'll end up putting terrible colors inside. And when they sell something for more expensive, they put like good quality, the best quality. But I think this was, I think, $15. Yes, it was 15 Canadian dollars, which is probably less in US. But the shipping and handling, that's $5 extra, and then the Canadian taxes. So it came up to 22. Yeah, it came up to about $22, which is not too bad for these type of paints, especially if they're good quality. So I'm gonna test them out for you guys later on, and we're just gonna see what quality it is. I'll probably do the testing tomorrow if I do like a cute little art video or something for you guys. Yeah. Do you guys want the video today? I mean the testing of these today or tomorrow? I feel like I should test them in a separate video so I can, show you guys how they actually work and everything. So yeah, comment down below if I should, have added the testing or not, because I'll probably upload this before you guys even decide. Okay, so the colors are white. There's like yellow here. There's, what is that? Cadmium yellow. So that's just a little bit darker. There's gamboge. There's yellow ochre. I always have like hard time with that word. I think it's ochre or och. And then I have orange yellow right here. I have vermilion. I have scarlet. I have crimson red, magenta, mauve, and violet. So this is actually the first time I'm seeing mauve and violet and magenta. Most of the paints that I get do not have these kind of colors. Maybe it's just with watercolors, but most of the time I do not get these type of colors. And then I have to flip it over. So these are the other ones. I have black, burnt amber, raw amber, burnt sienna, and this burnt sienna kind of has like a dent. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it. All of them are kind of straight except for these two. Maybe it's just from the packaging and like the handling. But I also have green deep. Green deep. Wow. Guys, it's actually green deep. Y'all can see that one. It's actually green deep. And then I have permanent green, grass green, I have light green, I have cerulean blue, I have cobalt blue, I have Prussian blue. What kind of name is that? Prussian blue. And I also have ultramarine blue. So most of these colors are probably going to be good for landscape, like what they showed on the box over here. They're probably going to be good for landscape. And now I'm just going to open up the plastic so you guys can see the size. Oh, my scissors. I don't want to make this video too long, so I do not think I'll do the testing on this video. But I really recommend that you guys buy these because they're so cute, honestly. The packaging is great and you get 24. So that's the size. And with watercolors, guys, the thing is, it doesn't matter kind of like, it doesn't have to be super big, because watercolors, you always have to like add water and then kind of paint on what you paint what you want to paint. So you just take a little bit, put water, and I think these ones will last like a long time. So there's just like a little dent there, as you can see. It's like curved. You can see that. But I think that's just from the shipping and handling. And everything else looks super, super good. Yeah, guys, these are so beautiful. I love them so much. And I'm just going to show you guys the camera view of how everything looks so that you guys can see more clearly and see the size and everything. So, yeah.
Okay, guys, so this is the camera view, and this is how they're all looking. So that's the company name, Derwent Academy. And yeah. As you can see, they packaged it in a way where you have to like turn these over. And yeah, they're exactly 24, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And same on the other side. So I am super happy. And also this is how the box came. So it had like the paints down there. And then it also had these like fluffy air bags or something, and I think that really helps to protect the package when it's like in the shipping log and everything. So yeah, I think this is really good quality. I'm yet to try it, probably in tomorrow's video, so tune in again. And yeah.
Okay, guys, so you just saw the camera review, and I hope you guys are happy with this video or actually enjoyed it. If you're into paints, then I will be doing a lot of these videos where I will buy some stuff online, Amazon, or just different websites and review the products. And also, I love doing unboxings because you guys get to see my reaction on camera, and I had opened it before, but just to like see if it was like my package, you know, just to verify and everything. But I hadn't really seen the paints inside, so I'm super like happy with my product. I am like pleased because it looks so good, and I think I'm gonna be painting a lot more with watercolors because they seem so blendable. They just look so good sometimes, even for like little postcards. They just look so perfect for that. And I want to be able to decorate my locker maybe during spring, like I said in the other video, or summer. Actually, summer I'm on holiday, so probably like after Christmas break, which is probably in January. I want to put cute little postcards of probably like aesthetic stuff, and I will be doing videos on that. So hope you guys tune in, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, comment down below if you like my hairstyle because I think it's so cute, honestly. Sorry, but I think it's so cute. And comment down below if you like it. And if you watch to the end of this video, please comment a apple emoji. And I'm actually checking the comments for those who actually watched till the end. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I love you guys so, so, so much. Peace.